All right, guys, today, does your bike do this when you're sitting at a light and you accidentally stall it or try to start it in gear with the clutch push in? I'm pushing the clutch in, go to start, nothing. Follow these steps before you go to the dealer. Okay, if you look inside there, you'll see a little button. This lever right here that sticks out pushes that lever in when you push the clutch in. If you can see it, maybe kind of hard to see, but that pushes in, push that button. More than likely this button is dirty or the contact itself is bad. So what we need to do is take this cover off. There's a T25 here, and then there's a T25 here as well. We'll go ahead and pull those off and we'll show you what we need to do. One thing, see this that little tab I was saying? Some of the aftermarket levers do not have that piece, so make sure it has that piece. If not, it's not gonna work. Let's go ahead and pull the cover off. All right, with the T25 removed from here and underneath here, the cover just pulls right off. And there's that switch right there, if you can see it. So what I'll do is I'll take some compressed air or canned air and spray it in there. And I also am gonna use some contact cleaner and spray it around in there to get it nice and clean. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, what we'll do is go ahead and take the air gun or whatever you've got, canned air. All right, with a contact cleaner, just regular contact cleaner. I think this actually came from Home Depot. I'll put a link down in the description, but try this as well. So we'll go ahead and spray it inside the front and then spray it on the top. Get it good and clean inside there. And then we'll let that dry for a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and put the cover on and see if it starts. All right, clutch is pushed in. Turn it on, it's in gear. Wait for the light to go out. Here we go. Well, hopefully that works for you guys. If it doesn't, you'll need to replace the actual switch inside there, which comes with these buttons as well. You got to reroute it all the way to the actual plugs down there. If this helped you out, hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comments below. Remember, ride something, ride safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.